Hi folks, and welcome to Steve's Top Days Out. When visiting Ledbury, be sure to go and see the 15th century painted walls, discovered in 1988 when restoration work began on one of the town's oldest timber buildings. If you enjoyed this short video and it has given you some inspiration to go and visit the paintings, then please give this video a thumbs up. Why not subscribe to my channel to see the other videos I've produced for you to enjoy.